Hello everyone, how are you? I hope everyone will be fine at your home in this pandemic situation and you people are taking care of yourself and your family. Today I brought the second part of the extraordinary general meeting. I want to discuss with you with the channel. As we know, new education policy came. So, what do you think that it may apply properly, or there are some obstacles in this? According to me, there are three to four things that we have to deduct first, and then we can apply this policy properly. So, what are that thing? I have 4 points. First point is here, just like as first we have to control population of the country, and 3 points more are there with me. But I want that your suggestion, if what will be that, I will explain that other 3 point in coming next video. And those who will give me suggestion in the comment box first, then in the next video, I will take name of that person and your suggestion also I will discuss and my opinion also I will give according to this requirement of time. Okay, and just like as this pandemic situation is going on and at present everyone is at home, all the education sector has started to teach from home and how to control population is the major problem in front of India because if population will not be controlled, then impossible to apply all the things or whatever policy will come and go, then 100% we can't apply according to me. And there are major three things are there that I will discuss with you in next lecture. Change is the requirement of time. According to time, we have to change ourselves. Just like as this pandemic situation, all the decisions we are taking at home and through online learning, teaching, and all the official works are going from online. So this is demand of time, and that we took, and we are going ahead. Previously, we were facing lot of problem at the time of teaching you people because we were not aware of the new technology. But now, as time passes, now we know lot of things in the technology, and we will learn more thing learning and this channel I started for you people, those students who are at villages. To them, this facility is not available, means they don't have laptop and mobile. For them, I have started this type of video. They can see it at anywhere, at any time, and they can clear their doubts. That's why I started this channel. My ambition was this. And time, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please like and subscribe it so that more people will get benefit from this channel. And whatever doubt you have, you can ask me in the comment box, and you can give your suggestion also. And on which topic I should bring video for you people, that also you can suggest because this is for you people. So I will prepare that topic for you people in the video form so that you will clear your doubt in the easiest way. Okay. So once again, I am telling you, if you are not subscribed my channel, then please like and subscribe it. Now we will go to our topic, and that is what meeting part 2. Already discussed that in the meeting there are four types of meeting: statutory meeting and annual general meeting and extraordinary general meeting and class meeting. In the previous video, already I have discussed two meeting: statutory meeting and annual general meeting. Now today I brought for you people about the extraordinary general meeting and class meeting. So what is an extraordinary general meeting? Extraordinary general meeting means here meeting between two annual general meeting. When it is called by the company, then it is called as extraordinary general meeting. just like we can take today's situation that offices work is going on from home only. Every day all the officers they do meeting through online. So this is in this way our work is not prohibited. We are not getting disturbed because of this. We are doing our work with home. So this is the meaning of the extraordinary meeting. So let's start with PPT about the extraordinary general meeting. Now here, what to do in emergency? Suppose emergency came, then at the time what company will do? So for that purpose, company will organize extraordinary general meeting. Now, what is the meaning of extraordinary general meeting? All general meeting other than statutory and annual general meeting is called as extraordinary general meeting. Now, why it is organized? So, if any important matter that cannot be postponed till the next annual general meeting, then extraordinary general meeting is organized. Now, what are the matter will be discussed in the extraordinary general meeting? So, matter will be changes in memorandum of association, changes in article of association, reduction and reorganization of share capital, issue of debentures, removal of director, removal of auditor. All this matter will be discussed in the meeting. Now, very important, what will be the date and time of extraordinary general meeting? So, it may be held at any date, time, and at any place, even in the national holiday, it may be arranged. Now, who may call a meeting, extraordinary meeting? So, four people can call extraordinary general meeting. So by the board on its own, by the board on requisition, by the requisitionist, by the tribunal. Now we will see our first point by the directors on its own. So, at any time, board of director can held meeting. If board of director think that in this is a critical situation for the company and we should organize a meeting and we have to take decision. We can't wait for next annual general meeting. So at that time, board of director can arrange the meeting and that name will be extraordinary general meeting, and at least 21 days notice or a shorter notice must be given to all the members. Means according to rule 21 days notice should be given. If there is a short of time, then it may be 10 days, 5 days, depends on situation. Now second point is by the board on requisition. Sometimes member of the company may be interested in holding a meeting of the company, whereas board may not willing. Means uh, uh, members of the company want to organize a meeting for some specific purpose, so they can request to board of director for organizing that type of meeting. In such a case, interested member may demand in writing that the meeting should be held. It should not be oral. Now, by the requisitionist, if the board fails to call a meeting, then requisitionist may call such a meeting. It means if board of directors are unable to call a meeting, then member of that company can call a meeting, but information should be given to the board of directors. Now, by the tribunal, if the circumstances require the calling of an annual general meeting and it's so for some reason not practical to do, then the tribunal may step in and ensure that the meeting is called. It means if board of directors and members they are unable to call the meeting, then tribunal can call a meeting for a specific purpose. Now our next meeting is that is what? class meeting. So we will see what is class meeting. When meeting of some particular class of people is held, then it is called a class meeting. It may be called by company or by court. And this class meeting is not a general meeting, means it is not a statutory meeting, it is not annual general meeting, and it is not extraordinary general meeting. This is the different type of meeting because it has similar rules and regulation relating to convening and conducting of a meeting apply to it, uh, because it has some specific rule and regulation, and for special class of person this meeting is organized. In the class meeting, particular class of shareholders only have right to present. Now in this picture we can see meeting is going on. Now a best example of this class meeting is that if the company has decided to reduce the rate of dividend of preference shareholders, then it is to be noted that meeting of the preference shareholders will have to be called. It means when meeting of preference shareholders have to be called, at that time equity shareholders will not be present in the meeting. Now, after the meeting, final decision will come what to do for the company in future. What will be the rules and regulation of the company in future? Okay, thank you everyone.